and I think this is my mission to be here. And I'm excited about the opportunity of being on the program of Let's Talk Success. Well, I think beyond an appetite for excellence is having, and I'd like to use the term, a magnificent obsession. There's got to be something in your life or something that you want to do that you value so much that you just refuse to allow the obstacles and all the barriers that will be thrown in your path to stop you. That whatever we desire, and I think that why most people don't go after their dreams and don't live up to their true potential is because I don't think we are prepared while we're in school to know that we're going to encounter some difficulties. We're going to have some setbacks. We will have some disappointments. We're going to have some losses in life. In fact, you have more rejections than you will have acceptance. And so I think that when life really catch most of us on the blind side, we're startled, and many people become dispirited and demotivated, and they give up and they throw in the towel on themselves. But the people that just keep on keeping on, in spite of the hardships, in spite of the disappointments, those people are people that have within them a sense of mission, a sense of hunger that propels them through those obstacles, that empower them to snatch victory from the jaws of defeat. And they're just unstoppable. I mean, but one of the things that I teach people in having a hunger and a drive for their goals is that when things go wrong, don't go with them. That things are going to happen in life that you cannot anticipate. Life will catch you on the blind side. My mother died at a time that it just threw me off. I couldn't function for a long period of time, just pulling back and fighting to stay in the game of life. I had a talk show. It was canceled. Filed for divorce of someone that I love very much. Viktor Frankl calls it unavoidable suffering, that in life you either in a problem or just left one or headed toward one. And so the key to achieving those goals, that your hunger has got to be stronger than the opposition, than the distractions that life will throw at you.